Is this thing on? Hello everyone. If you are a biker, by biker I do not mean motorbiker, I mean bicyclist. You travel a lot and you commute with your bicycle a lot. You know this better than anyone that it gets dirty pretty well. And cleaning it often is a mess. So there are a lot of shops who can clean your bikes in exchange of some money. However, if you're planning to clean your bike by yourself, there are a certain rules, tools, equipments. But today I'm going to show you how to clean and lube your bike with typical household materials. So let's get to it. Although I have to confess that I'm not a professional in this matter, but I hope you appreciate my effort. Thank you. Peace. Right, before we get into washing our bikes and all, there are a few items we need. First one on that list is a shampoo, a regular parachute oil as lubes, an old piece of cloth, two old toothbrushes taped together. You'll see how I use it. A hose, a mug, and most importantly, your bike. Okay, now I'm going to show you why did I choose to flip my bike upside down. Well, it's actually not a rocket science. Like, of course, since it's the bottom tube, all of the dirt are attached to this, and all of the dirt hits this or either this side of the frame behind the rear wheel. Okay, as you can see, this thing is filthy. Okay, all right. So first, we have to give it a good shower so that the the dirt is softened, so it's easier to wipe this off with that old piece of cloth. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so now since the bike is properly drenched and it's soaking wet, we can just go ahead and start wiping. Okay, let's go. With the hose here. Okay, first you clean the dirtiest part of your bike, which is the bottom bracket shell. And if there's much light in it, let me show you. I think this is much better. Yeah, is the camera still on? Yeah. Yeah, okay. The bottom bracket shell is the most dirtiest part of your bike because it's it's always stays underneath and it's exposed to all of the dirt. Okay, now to the bottom tube. There you can see the manufacturer of my bike, which is called Trek. If you're in the biking industry, you are pretty familiar with this brand. They make all sorts of crazy bikes. But this is on the mid-range level, upgraded it a lot. Clean the suspensions. The second dirtiest part of your bike. Also, don't forget the front derailleur, which also collects a lot of dirt. Like look at this thing. Look at this thing. Like, we just drenched it, but it's still there. Shanto name. That was my mom. Anyway, wiping the bottom part of your bike, and now we have to move on to the wheels. Remove your wheel from the frame. Righty, lefty, loosey. All right. Okay, you don't have to like completely detach the screws. You can just like pull it off right now easily. Okay. Okay, I think it's much easier to clean your wheels while it's attached to your bike, but I have to show you the two ways. Let's get to it. First we need to pour a little bit of shampoo, and that's about enough. Okay. Make sure you put it underneath the bottom tube and the bottom bracket shell. Alright, clean the frame of the wheel and the rims. A little bit of your sweet post, and I think that's it for the polishing part. So let's put the final shower. We put the bike upside down again because we have to let the water dry off, because we have to lube the drivetrain. So see you in a couple of minutes. First of all, we have to like dry it totally. Make sure that the chain is dry. Yeah, as you can see, all this kind of black stuffs are coming. Alright, make sure the chain is pretty much dry and all the existing oil is pretty much rubbed off. We have to put a little bit of oil, not too much. Not too much. You don't have to soak it with oil. Alright. Put just a few drops, which is gonna be enough. And I think that's it. Yeah. And make sure, never let oil anywhere near your rear disc brakes. Do not let oil near your discs. Okay? They're not going to work properly if you spill oil in it. Video বানাতেছি সাইকেলের পরিষ্কার করে যা bye. And you have a clean bike. Okay, and I think that's about it for this video, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks.